Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you a natural juice recipe that you can make at home to help promote weight loss and also to detox your body just by using two natural ingredients. So stay tuned, continue watching, and let's start this video. As you can see, I'm using a side of a melon. I'm gonna wash the outer part because I'm also gonna blend the outer part as well. Alright guys, so I wash my melon with hot water. So now I'm going to cut the melon into cubes to get an easy blend. So as you can see, I'm cutting the entire melon. I'm going to blend everything with some ginger. So now I'm going to peel my ginger. So now I'm going to blend, and I didn't add anything, just the melon with the ginger. So let's blend. So guys, this takes time, but it is good. So once I blend, then I strain. So guys, if you were wondering about the color, remember I blend everything. I blend the skin is dark green, so that sort of overshadow the natural red melon color. Okay, so now that I have a glass full, I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool, or you can have it like this, room temperature, but I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool. So I got 2 full glass from my blend. So guys, this is day 4 of me drinking this juice every morning, and I can already see the result. My tummy is flatter than before. What I should have done, I should have taken before and after pics, but I did not. And bear in mind, you're gonna have to run to the bathroom maybe 1 or 2 times after drinking this, but it's nothing to worry about. It's just like passing your regular, having a regular. It's just like having a regular PM. So that is it guys for this natural detox recipe and for weight loss. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Please leave a like on this video. Please share. Please comment. Turn your post notifications on, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.